Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to enable Twitch drops. We can collect game rewards from Twitch by enabling Twitch drops. I show you guys how to do that. You just need to open up Twitch, click on this profile icon and select. You just need to scroll down and select settings. In here you just need to select channel and videos. On left side you just need to scroll down and select viewer rewards, select drops. On right side you can able to see the option enable drops. If enable drops is toggled off, we wanted able to receive any rewards from Twitch guys, so make sure it is on position. And we may also need to do for the game we want receive drops for example Warzone. You just need to make sure enabled is toggle on position. We have enabled the drops guys. Now we will able to claim the drops that Twitch gives when we participate in event. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.